You are watching Nunu Kids Learning. Hello friends, today we are going to learn birds' names. Birds come in different sizes, shapes and colors. They are found all over the world. First one is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. It's a cartoon parrot. It's a real parrot. Mostly parrots are green in color. Parrot. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. It's a cartoon peacock. It's a real peacock. They are brightly colored birds. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. It's a cartoon duck. It's a real duck. Duck is a large-billed and short-necked bird. Flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. It's a cartoon flamingo. It's a real flamingo. Flamingos have long slender legs and mostly pinkish in color. Hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D. Hummingbird. It's a cartoon hummingbird. It's a real hummingbird. It's small in size. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. It's a cartoon pigeon. These are the real pigeons. Pigeons comes in different colors. Pigeon. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. It's a cartoon ostrich. These are the real ostrich. Ostrich can't fly. Ostrich. Goose. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. It's a cartoon goose. It's a real goose. Goose somewhere between ducks and swan. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. It's a cartoon swan. It's a real swan. Swan lives in lakes, ponds and rivers. Swan. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Baby owl is called owlet. It's a real owl. Owl. Woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. It's a real woodpecker. It is small in size and in beautiful colors. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. It's a tone penguin. These are the real penguins. Penguins can't fly. Crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. It's a cartoon crane. It's a real crane. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. It's a cartoon sparrow. It's a real sparrow. It is brown in color and small in size. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. It's a cartoon eagle. It's a real eagle. Quail. Q-U-A-I-L. Quail. It's a cartoon quail. It's a real quail. It is small in size. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. It's a cartoon rooster. It's a real rooster. Rooster mostly common in India. Macaw. M-A-C-A-W. Macaw. It's a cartoon macaw. These are the real macaws. Macaws come in different colors. Toucan. It's a cartoon toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N. Toucan. It's a real toucan. Toucan has strong yellow beak. Vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. It's a cartoon vulture. It's a real vulture. Vultures are big in size. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. It's a cartoon crow. It's a real crow. Crow is black in color. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. For more videos, subscribe my channel.